Or oh wait, I'm awesome. Well maybe I am. I don't know. Wait. I don't know how to react to this. I don't care. Blue ball go inside. Nice shot over there. This is obviously one of our subscribers. You people know. So we're playing in direct tour here. Let's try to go for the green ball. I don't know why I'm focusing too much. He says you're great again. Thank you, man. A genuine thanks to you. Oh my god. 2 balls in 1 shot. There we go. As I said in the previous video, there are so many mosquitoes around me. I have called the wrong pocket, I know, but I don't know why I called the bottom middle pocket, but this shot, it's possible, I guess. It needs superb precision, unbelievable. It's hectic. There's a chat back as well, that was a hectic oh, he touches the knuckle. I'm kind of feeling sorry for him. I obviously know what he was trying to do over there. Okay, let's try to go for this one. It's gonna be a double. Well, usually people call the top right pocket. I'm calling the top left because it's gonna be touching the right rail as well, and it's gonna go inside the top left pocket as planned. That was good. Are you not entertained? Oh my god, these chat packs, I love you. One more try, I'm gonna say. Well, this was the premium 6 birthday cue from the previous video. Let's use the Archangel key. I'm gonna be giving one more try to the Madrid Plaza Mare as promised. And yeah, let's see what happens. I have played, we lost in, I think, what, I can recall, wait, I won? Left spin added, okay, so my black ball is still, and wait, I'm in a big chaos right now. Okay, wait, I got a plan. I should go for the orange ball and then the purple ball. And when I'm gonna be going for the purple, that is when I'm gonna be adding right spin to clear maybe my black, brown, blue, whatever. So this is gonna be a pretty crucial shot, pretty important shot of this match. Oh yes, we do, and I do not pop the cue ball, and my black is cleared, and I think we can win the game. My god, this is pretty dope. I'm gonna be going for the yellow. Let's add right spin on the shot. Now, these tournaments always are pretty nice example because I'm only focusing on winning, so these videos are nice examples of how to clear tables in this game. Okay, so I messed, no, absolutely not. Let's try to go for the brown, then the green, and then the black. The only thing will be what to do when I'm going for the green ball. So I gotta be focused over there. Oh. Stupid mistake. Silly mistake. People are heartless sometimes. In real world and in the game. All I can say that this dude is not at all heartless. He has such a big heart. He lets me win. Oh my god. I honestly don't know what he had in mind. Whatever he did is proving a lot beneficial to us. But wait, I'm gonna try to compensate because this is like a bribed win, I'm gonna say. Let's try to go for a bang shot on the black ball to try and kind of compensate for the mistake and the luck that we are having in this game. There we go. Oh, am I gonna mess up again? Don't go inside. Oh my god, so lucky. Okay, a bad start to the video first. I mean, the indirect part was good, but I gotta focus more in this tournament if I gotta win this today. Very little force. I'm not gonna add a lot of force. This is the Archangel Q, by the way. In the previous video, there was a dude who messed up playing with the Archangel Q, who misjudged the force. I hope it does not happen with me. Alright guys, so I cleared the brown. Again, a pretty sweet table, I guess. I think, see, I'm trying to disturb the black ball from more here. I think if the black goes away from more, it will be better. Okay, yes, it's in a nicer position, I'm gonna say. Now I have to pop the red ball somehow. Well, there are too many options to win the game, and I think, yes, I'm gonna choose this one. Now my option will include a bank shot in the bottom left pocket for the black ball. One thing I'm again mentioning, I'm totally fed up of the mosquitoes around me right now. I don't know, this is like the weather of mosquitoes. Let me know if in your place there are. Yes, I don't know what I'm talking about, but in the previous video also I said, so it's kind of difficult, you know, playing and focusing along with mosquitoes. Black ball, there we go, thank you so much. So no, this was the final because we won the first game, the quarterfinal, with basically our opponent quitting the game. So I like forgot that match. Time to go to round 2 for this turn. My god. No, the previous time I think we lost in the final. Yes, now I recall. We did not go to round 2 the first time I played this day before yesterday. So let's try to, I will go to round 2 and see. Because usually in round 2 you get a lot of high level players. So I don't know if that's going to be the case today. Not my break again. Cool. He must be absolutely pissed off. I mean, imagine. And if he, if he would have potted this purple ball out of luck, like with a fluke, I would have destroyed my iPad right now. Alright guys, let's try to go for the yellow. I'm just going for a bank shot, even though it might prove to be pretty dangerous. Like every single bank shot can prove very dangerous at this point in this tournament. And can I pot the brown? I don't want to pot the orange ball right now. Okay, I can't pot the brown ball, I guess. So let's add top spin. Pretty simple game once again. But that trick shot on the black ball in the Venice match in the beginning, that totally won my heart, man, in this video. Can't pot the green as well, can't pot the red as well. Well, at this point I can go for any ball and win the game in the end. I think the black is going in both the top right pocket and the bottom right pocket as well. So I don't need to be that worried about. So let's go for the green. After this, the purple. Okay, maybe I'm gonna go for a bank shot on the orange ball. So let's see what happens, guys. A little force like this. It's cool. And yes, I'm gonna be going for a bank shot, guys. By the way, thank you so much for every single thing that you people do for the channel, man. All of the people who are watching the video, liking, commenting, watching my videos. And I'm going for one very risky thing at this point, a bank shot on a black ball. This might be my most stupid move in the video if I win the game, if I lose this match. But even if I win, I guess this will still be a stupid move. Please don't mess up. Thank you so much. The more I was worrying that this is gonna be a stupid move, the smoother the bank shot turned out to be. So time to go to the semis of round 2, and it's gonna begin already. So please give me, okay, just give me my break. It's not my break. I want my break in the finals though. You cannot deny the fact. Please don't put it again. Wish me luck for my iPad. Okay, he messes up. This was, you just cannot deny the fact that you require luck as well sometimes in 8-ball pool. It's just, I have been saying this from the beginning, and I don't think so any like very nice player ever in this game has said that 8-ball pool is only about skills. It is about luck. There are certain games when luck needs to be there. So I think 8-ball pool is like one of the prime examples of such games where luck plays some role, I'm gonna say. Well, skill obviously. I think I have been saying there's the ratio is 70% skill in this game and 30% luck. So this is absolutely true, I guess. Well, it's an opinion, but still I think it's true. And we're gonna win the game. We're gonna be moving to the finals of the ultimate final. And I'm excited about the finals, but the thing is, I'm more excited about the fact that I will most likely get the break in the finals because I did not get it this time, so there's a higher chance. He's giving me a thumbs down, but basically he just gave himself a thumbs down. My god, so many mosquitoes. So tiring right now. Okay, finals, the ultimate final. I gotta wait. Alright. This is it. Maybe redemption time. Oh yes, it is my break. Let's try to go for it. Obviously I will try to go for a denial, no bank shots, nothing. But I think when it's the most important, I do not put anything on the break as always. Now tell me what to do. What can I do? I got the break. I did the break, but I did not put anything on the break. What else can I do, man? I'm totally disheartened right now. I'm so sad. I want to cry. Epic game. Man, it's unbelievable, yes. Because day by day, the amount of people that I meet in random matches in this game is just unbelievable, and just I get reminded. Oh, I scratched, by the way. I get reminded of the amazing. It's a pretty tight angle, but I think let's just go for it. Okay, I was pretty lucky. I think that I touched the red ball. Otherwise, maybe I again and again and again. All right, no problem at all. And I think I end up in a pretty nice position to actually go for a bank shot on the purple ball. Yes. Wait, let me add top spin. But what? Even if I'm gonna put the purple or red ball, oh red ball, it will be pretty simple clearing the black ball. I mean a natural angle. Like I did not mean by oh my god. Top spin, but this is the beauty of the oh I just went for this one. Oh my god, I forgot. Okay, I'm sorry bro, whoever you are. I kind of forgot that we gotta play in dark door here. This will be my last match of the video, I'm pretty sure about this. I'm actually super frustrated right now that I lost that Madrid thing. I was so close, but that dude denied me. I'm not sad about the denial. Well, he didn't deny me, by the way, it was my break. I did not put anything on the break, and that was pretty sad and embarrassing. Alright guys, I'm going for back-to-back bank shots, so actually focus on this game and not focus on the past, because past is always a place to learn and not to live. Top spin I have added. Orange ball is okay. Now I gotta go for the blue. Now the blue is potable in the top right pocket, but it's gonna be a pretty difficult bank shot. So let's try to give my 100% over here on this shot. Was close. I think maybe I gave 90%. How about that? Backspin. I'm adding because I want to get the orange ball. Excuse me, the brown ball. And even if I'm gonna get the brown ball. He says you're awesome. I'm going for the top middle pocket, guys, by the way. Rotational shot like the previous video. And I think we're going to make it just barely. Barely. He's going for this shot? Despite the fact seeing that I was going for a trick shot. Oh my god, that rhymed over there. But luckily he missed the shot. At least I know his intentions now. He saw that I went for a trick shot, but still, it's okay. Maybe he's not comfortable with trick shots, but if you are not, then you gotta face karma. I won the game. But guys, I think I'm gonna end the video over here. So if you guys did enjoy this video, once again, this was a kind of, I'm gonna say, confusing video for me, especially because it feels something incomplete because I went to the final, like the ultimate final, and I did not win the match. So I'm kind of sad right now, I'm not gonna lie, but whatever happened, happened. Let's not focus too much on that. I'm going to be seeing you people in the next video, whichever one it will be. Next video, I'm trying to do something special. I will try to do something special. So until then, goodbye, all of you. You're just awesome, man, everyone.